So DWM doesn't let you by default sort of have many mouse options, but you can easily create the driver under Xorg to have, for example, natural scroll, which is what I really like. I don't really use too many options, and maybe tap to click. Those are the main options that I like to configure for my touchpad. And to do so, it's really, really easy. So the first thing that you have to do is install this driver here, this libinput here. Once you do that, I already have it installed, so I'm gonna skip it. But once you do that, you cd into the Xorg directory here under etc, and then you'll see that it's empty for you, but you'll create this file. You would have to sudo to get right privileges. It's called 30-touchpad.conf. And so once we're here, we just have to create this basic structure, and it's very simple, like I said. So this is just the beginning of the driver here, the first line, and then the sixth line is the end. And then inside of the actual configuration, we have the identifier, and then we have the driver name, which is libinput, which is connected to the driver that we installed. Then we have our options. So for me, like I said, I just need very simple settings. And I had tapping so that when I tap the touchpad, it registers as a click. We say that it's on. Then the second option that I have here is for natural scrolling, so that when you're scrolling on the web page, rather than scrolling up to go up, it's the reverse. And we just set that to true. Then we write EndSection here, and then Control X, save. Then you can restart your Xorg, and you should have your touchpad configuration.